Hai la mall și simte vibe-ul reducerilor de Black Friday. Regulamentul campaniei disponibil pe pinkcitygarage.ro.
Casa de Tapet vă urează Crăciun fericit și un an nou plin de bucurii. Iar anul care vine, dăruiți din inimă. Bucurați-vă din plin, îndepliniți-vă dorințele și vă așteptăm la Casa de Tapet pentru perdele, draperii, tapet.
I still a lot.
Noi suntem nerăbdători să dăm oficial.
You get that.
I hit what?
police there. Police stop. They try to clean the road. Still full of snow there. With the tractor. Police try to stop us. I don't think we can go there. The police gonna ask us where we're going.
În comuna la Cusărat.
Unde la Cusărat?
Pe strada principală la colț, la strada Nucului.
Sigur?
Da. Se poate...
Încercați să...
Nu, pe strada Nucului, acolo avem casă, strada Nucului. Se poate pe aici?
Da.
Da?
Păi până altă parte de unde?
Like never freezes. So salty, never freezes.
at him coming.
I'm stuck.
Oh my. The snow is too thick. Yeah. Oh, look guys, how thick is this? Oh my god. Look, it's... Oops. It's very thick, guys. But it's good my shoes is leather, so we'll be fine. Hello, darling. Are you happy? Hey, you happy? Hello, baby. Come give me say hello. Come give me say hello, darling. You happy? Oh, look at this. This is our house. Look. Phoebe! Hello! Hi, darling. Mwah. I miss you too. I miss you too. I miss you too. Where is Fifi? I want to say hello to Fifi. Look at this. Oops. Oh, as well. I must be careful. The dog house is full of snow as well. Baby, you was happy, don't you? Let's check there, guys. Oops. Look, everything is ice. Yeah, I want to have a look around. It's okay? I want to have a look there. I want to see the chicken and everything. Okay, darling. Baby. Oh. So. Oh my god, this is... Oh, look at me. Baby! Baby coming to me? Come with me, baby. Oh. This is a very thick one. Baby! Baby! Come on, come with me. Look. Everything is just literally snow. Oh my god. And I think the snow is like 5 centimeter. No, more than 5 centimeter. Because if you can see, the snow is up to here. Here is better. The snow. Really. So we have some chicken and duck. Let's have a look to the chicken. Baby! The chicken inside. I must be careful here. Look at the duck. The duck is fine. He seems happy. But as you can see, guys, everything is snow. This also we have another chickens here. Turkey. And this is our a little garden for fruits, vegetables, and stuff. Oh my god! So the snow started at early in the morning. It's like I think 5, because when I woke up at the 6:15, I heard the wind is so strong blowing around, and also the snow. He's always happy, guys. Baby, you're always happy. You're always happy, darling. Do you miss me? Where is Fifi? Oops. At the window. Hi, baby. Say hello to everyone. Hello, guys. I'm Bibi. Look, as you can see, guys, it's how thick it is. Bibi always wanna play. Bibi always wanna play. I know you always wanna play. Let's see. Let's see here. Oops. Where is Fifi? Fifi? The dog is there. Fifi, you there? You're cold? You okay, darling? You thirsty? Oh. My love, do you think the water is working? Because I think they need to drink. Yeah, I will try. I will have a look. Bibi helping you. Look. Yeah, Bi. Come on, darling. And this, all the fruits and flowers also, it became snow, ice, cold. What are you doing? Why? Look at her face. He's trying to eat snow. What a funny girl. What a funny girl, don't you? Look at this. Look at your face. Full of ice now. What are you trying to do with the ice? Yesterday, I went here. It's all flowers here. But now it's gone. Oh, I forget. I want to check the water for the dogs, because I think they're thirsty. Of course. Look at the gate. Oh. Oh my god. I don't know, I need to be careful. Whew. Wait, guys. to take off my glove. I'm trying to open. Oops. Okay. Well done. And yeah, there's water. So guys, let's give the dog water. Baby, what are you doing? Baby, what are you doing, baby? Look at baby helping you. I wanna give a dog water to drink. Oh, still windy here, guys. Oops. Oh my god, this is... I just afraid to fall because it's sometimes I sleep. Oh, let's give you some water. Let's get some water for you. Let's get some water for you, baby. Baby, let's get some water. You're thirsty, don't you? Coming. Coming. Yes, I want to give water for Baby and Fifi. Look at this. I hope it's enough with ice. Oh, I'm carrying in the water. So he tried to dig in the ice because we're gonna park the car inside and drive here. Oh my god. 1 second, guys. Give me a second. Woo! There's another shuffle. I think I need to help him. What do you think, guys? Oh. Give me a moment. Fifi, you wanna get us some drink? Get some drink? Get some drink? We always close the door locked because we hardly stay here. Okay, we're going back to the car. Oh! Oh my god. Oh, freezing. Oh, look at this. Full of snow.
Oh my goodness.
You okay, darling?
No. Just tired. Ooh, what an effort. Oh, what's it?
I give water for the dog. Now going back to
Ooh.
flat. Slippery? Be
Yeah.
careful. No, it's clear there. Oh, sleep. Okay, the truck is trying to cleaning the street, I think.
The road, not.
Yes, the road. Look at the house! Where's the dogs?
Look at the wind.
Mm-hmm. Tough job.
Can't even see someone coming.
Oh my god, yeah. You switch on your light?
No, of course.
Because I see car coming. And I think you can see soon.
Look at the wind.
Yes. Look at the wind, guys. Oh, you're going straight, not go there.
Yeah, try this.
Just try it slow. Oh my god, look at this. How cold it is. I'm not sure, guys, you can see the winds or not blowing the snow to the right.
Can't even see the road. Only just this bit here.
Yeah.
Because it's a wind that is protected by forest, you know.
Yes, and here is a big field, isn't it?
Yeah. See? When it's wind, it's up. Here it's
So maybe you drive the car tomorrow? Today?
it's just not. Yeah, see it here. So
Okay. So we come from here, yeah? Because that side, a lot of
just
still.
one like step.
Yeah. because that car is lower, right? Lower than
Lower,
this.
because- Film. What is floating around just? It's an issue. So it's blocked by this.
Still
This open?
closed. No, they still closed.
No, this is open now.
Already?
Yeah, open.
Yeah, done.
What's going on over there? I think it's melting. It's not so cold, you know. See, water.
Yeah. That's why I think if we leave it till tomorrow, it will be fine to drive.
Yeah.
is still there.
Yeah. Let's ask him now a question when they open. Let me talk to them.
Of course you can. I can't speak to him.
Auzi, nu te spune, când se deschide drumul?
Peste 3 ore, cam așa.
Peste 3 ore, na, trebuie să
Da.
ajungem la Cusărat. Nu e urgent, o să aștept.
Peste 3 ore, maxim 4, îi dă drum.
Da?
Da.
Da, mersi mult.
Tot.
3 hours. So. I think they want to clean that part of it.
Yeah. I think the police is not this. I have a camera because you look at the camera. So there is a little zoo. But of course now it's closed.
Nu coboră, că nu, e închis drumul. E poliția aici la sensul girator, la grădina zoologică, știi? La OMV. Și poți să vii din lac, dar nu te lasă să te întorci în lac. Și a zis că eu când am venit din lac doar o porțiune nasoală rău de la pod, la calea ferată până la pădure. Știi că bate vântul acolo? E câmpul ăla deschis și bate vântul și e zăpadă pe jos, pătătorită și aia e cam nasol și bate vântul cu zăpadă, nu prea ai vizibilitate și dar am văzut că sunt utilaje și dezăpezesc, o să dezăpezească și polițaiul mi-a zis că în 3-4 ore deschide drumul. Deci, ori așteptăm mai încolo, ori mâine dimineață, știi? Eu am dat la lopată, acolo. Da, că dacă am mai făcut efort de atâta timp, știi, și am dezăpezit în curte acolo. Și la intrare, poarta era înzăpezită. De-abia am reușit să o deschid. Da, să jucau vesel. Da. Atunci sunt acela. Bravo. Pa.
Still windy.
No. They are. But not like before.
Mm-hmm. My baby. Get the finger. Hey. Just across the street without looking around.
If tonight is gonna be below zero,
Mm-hmm.
all of this will froze. I have to go there.
I guess that is all.
What he's doing in the middle of the road? Look at him. snow.
Yeah.
You know what? I have to shovel, so I need to shovel the snow. Can't go in there.
The dog.
Can't go in there. I need to
Okay.
shovel the snow. Where's the button? The button there. Padlock. See? Padlock, open. Yeah.
I tried to open the door, but I don't think I can open the door because the snow on my way. Poor him, he need to clean all the snow everywhere, and I'm just sitting here. I'm envy, I am.